Oh, oh, I'm in the midst of it. Woo, look at this. Oh, you're right. Oh my. Two are fighting. They're fighting. And this poor crow is all by itself in the midst of this mess with these parrots. Crow, you can sing as much as you want. They can't hear you. Oh man. This poor crow is all by himself, completely surrounded by all parrots. Okay, bit of peace now. Oh, look what you did. You just broke the tree. You're a naughty guy, eh? Naughty guy. He said, no, I didn't do this. Maybe the parrots did. And now we go to the water to see if there are some ducks. Oh, okay.